I got some more cool stuff from Winners. I got two cleansing balm kits for $7.99 each and a organizer for $9.99. These are four small cleansing balms in one pack. I tried opening them to see what if the color inside is different too, but they're all white. They just have a hue of color because of the container that they are in, and they're super cute. According to the pack, the yellow one is for nourishing, the blue is for calming, green is for pore clarifying, and the pink is original. Can't wait to use them and let you know how they were. This pack is amazing. My only fear used to be with the organizers is that how to take your hand all the way down when your cotton swabs are running because they're in a vertical position. But this has a slot on the side, which makes it super convenient to use. And the swabs that you see, they have two different edges. One is round and the other is sharp, so this is beautiful too. So this was a good buy for $9.99.